Welcome back, guys. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today I'm going to be continuation of trading on the S&P 500, the E-minis futures. So let's get right into it. This morning, the market, of course, everyone knows the market opens up at 9:30, and if you've been following my channel, so let's see what's been going on this morning. The market pushed up yesterday, as you can see here. And then it pulled back overnight last night, and so far it's kind of just been ranging. I mean, here's your high right here around 43.78, and the market pulled back last night. It tried to just a brief moment ago try to retest the highs. So we're making a shoulder pattern here. So right now what the market's doing now is trying to pull back again. So last few days, just to kind of recap a little bit, if you look here at the market, here on my chart here, market's kind of been pushing up, pulling back, making higher highs, pushing up, pulling back, making higher highs, and then pulling back here, like I said, overnight. And now we are, actually, we just took out this high here at 43.79. If I blow this up for you, you can see it right here. 43.79. So right now we're on a pullback, and we'll look to see what happens here. All my trades are live, so I'm trying to show you guys. You know, everyone that's tuned into my channel here, you'll be seeing me trading live. I'm out. If we can get into an entry, I'll be explaining my trades, showing you why, or explaining why I trade at certain levels, identifying certain levels. But if you follow my channel, you'll learn a lot, guys. I mean, basically, I'm a price action trader. I couple my trading with using the volume profile, which you'll learn in time if you follow my channel. So I have a lot of good information. The more that you watch my channels, the more you watch the videos that I post, you'll actually see, you slowly start to learn, oh, I understand why he traded that level, because I'm going to clearly identify to you the levels and explain to you why I trade those levels. So, okay, so let's look to see if we can get into a trade. Of course, you can see me in my recording or my, I'm recording with my webcam, so you can see me. You can see my charts. You can see my screens here. I have two monitors set up, and you can see me in the video also. So let's see if we can get into a trade here. This again is the ES, the E-mini S&P 500. Okay, so right now we can see the market pull back to what's called the POC, the volume point of control. And we're going to look to see if we can possibly get into a trade. This is based on a pullback. So let's see, let's mark a level here. The price has already come down to this level here. So give me a second, guys. I'm just looking to see. Okay. I'm looking, this could be possibly be an interest area for me, but being that we're around the point of control here, so I typically do not like to trade around the point of control if you follow my videos, but this could be an entry to go long here. So we'll look to see what happens here briefly here in a short minute or two. Right now the market is kind of just positioning itself around the point of control. So and I'll try to post these videos daily, guys. If you follow the channel, then if you subscribe to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because if you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, that notification is going to send you an alert each time that I post a video. Like I said, my videos will be packed with my live trading. You'll be able to see me inside view of how I actually trade, clearly identifying levels and what I look for. I'm pretty much, like I said, a price action trader. I look to take, 95% of the time or more on pullbacks, trades on pullbacks, simply looking at price action. And I use the volume profile. You can see these profiles on my charts here. That kind of helps me gauge areas to where volume's built and where price likes to pull back in the market too. Clearly identifies areas where there's pretty much money in the market, where the price either rotates or pull it away from those areas. nine times out of ten, it's going to come back to those areas. I want to retest them. So let's see what we get here. Let's see if we can get into a trade at this area here. And so, okay, I'm going long. So we'll see if the market's going to want to try to push higher. I'm taking this trade based on price pushing higher, taking out this high right here, and taking it on a pullback at a level that I identify, which is right here. Um, so we'll see what happens here. Hopefully we can get a few points here. Um, a point and a half maybe. Hopefully we can get at least a point and a half out of this trade. Now, like I said, I only took this trade because I'm noticing price action, the market making higher highs, pushing higher, pulling back, and then taking out the high from yesterday at 43.79 and a quarter. So right now the market's wanting to pull back some. So let's see what actually happens. We are in an area, but we'll probably pull back to some volume right here. But point of it is that there's the PLC here. I took the trade a little too early, more than likely. So and this trade could possibly take a little time here. The reason being is because we're around the point of control for today. So far, the price is majority of the volume being traded at. Excuse the background noise. It appears to be a helicopter or a plane flying above over. Okay. Like I said, guys, this is live trading. These are my two monitors here that I trade off of. We could possibly range here for a little while. We're at the point of control, so anything can happen here at the PLC. So hopefully this trade works out for us. But I'm really looking for price to retest this area back up here around 43.78 at least in a quarter, or maybe a few ticks higher. So So I like I said, I took the trade too early. Being a little more, I'm an aggressive type trader. So uh, this could take a little time to play out. So hopefully the trade works in our direction. I don't want to pause the video. I want my videos to kind of go on through the duration so you can see me actually live trading and not, this is without any edit. A lot of people trade and post videos and, show them explaining certain trades or explaining to you on their charts areas to take trades from and not actually showing you their actual live trading. That's the key to it. Is follow people and that's how you're going to learn is you see people actually live trading. In my previous videos, you see me live trading, I may not be in every, visual of myself in every video, but I'm explaining live trading. I'm explaining each one of my trades. I'm explaining to you why I took that trade, the level I took it from, why that level was important to me. So you can understand price action because as you heard me state, if you watch my previous videos, the two most important things in learning how to trade, this is pretty much just a message to all the beginners out there, is market structure, understanding what the market is trying to do, and more likely it's going to help you identify what it's going to do. And also, once you understand, what the market is actually doing, then you can understand price action. Two things: market structure, price action. Understand what the market's doing. Understand price action. Price action, price action, price action. Price action is the key to trading because then the price action piece helps you identify the levels to trade from. So, and like I said, this trade here could probably possibly take some time here. Because of where the area where price is at right now. But trading is patience. So if you watch the video, follow it through. Hopefully we get our target here, and let's see. So price is at the point of control. It doesn't want to kind of move quickly, and so we can profit quicker. So let's see what happens here. I do have a level, like I said, the level is marked. And price did take out that high there, so it can push lower. I mean, it definitely can. We can push lower. There's no doubt about it. Uh, but I took a trade based on a significant level that made sense to me, and I took the trade way too early, as you can see here. But um, it's okay, you know. So I should have set up a stop here. Stop would be around. Let's see here. Actually, a stop should be around 43.72. So we can set up a stop around that area there. 43. Let's see, 70. Yeah, let's do 72. We'll set up a stop at this area here. I believe. Let's see. Okay. We'll set up a stop at that area there. And typically, price will, like I stated, it will. We probably have already met our target here, and be in the profit. But what time is it here? It's 11:01, so that's Eastern time here on the East Coast, Eastern Standard Time. So right now, price is around the point of control. You can see it. It's kind of ranging right now, pulling, just kind of moving back and forth. But hopefully, we'll come up and break. Take out this high here at 43.77 and push higher. So, but we can push lower too. So we have to be mindful of that. So let's just be patient, see what happens. But if this was a more of like a shoulder pattern here, it could have ended up being where a shoulder pattern is where price does not take out this high, meaning that price had made a high here, it pulled back, pushed back up, but couldn't take it. Pushed back up almost to this high right here, but it couldn't take this high right here out. Then we got a shoulder pattern, and I wouldn't have went. I would not have been taking or looking for a long here because on shoulder patterns, price can actually push lower. So what I was looking to happen, see happen here is that price actually take this high out, which it did. It took this high right here out by let's see what this is, 43.79 and a quarter. So price took it out by really like a couple ticks there. So, but it actually took the high out. So my hope is that price continues to uh, push up or push higher and break this high right here, but at least retest the high right here, which is this right here. So, um, so I have two charts here. Well, I mean, not two charts, three charts on this screen, this monitor right here. And what it's showing you here is this is my lower, the 4 range here. That's my lower time frame. And then I have two charts stacked on top of each other. 60-minute up top, and then below that is a 12 range chart. You could say, and that's my higher. These are my higher. Those are my higher time frame charts. So let's see how this trade actually plays out. And hopefully it moves in our favor here. And so let's see. But yeah, guys, I mean, if you want to learn how to trade, um, I'm a very humble person, so if you want to learn how to trade, I have nothing to hide. I'm not one of the type of people to kind of give you a little bit and then you have to buy a program or buy into a trading seminar or webinar or whatever it is out there those guys are putting out there. If you will follow my channel, you follow my and see me trade live, you'll pick it up. It took me a while to actually learn how to trade because I had no one to kind of show me the ropes. So. Um, some people it takes a few years, some people it takes maybe a few months. It just depends on the person and how quickly you can pick up, see, understand what's going on. And that's what, going back to market structure, that's the most important thing is understanding market structure. It's like anything else. You take a new job and you may know how to do the basics, and there's still a lot more for you to learn. So, it comes with experience, watching other people, and then you gain the knowledge of how to do it. It's the same thing, just watching other people, watching other traders, understanding when you say, oh, they took a trade from this area here. Well, I wonder why. Understand why they took the trade at that particular level. But allow price action to kind of help you out because you got to understand the price action piece. First, the market structure, know what the market's doing, making higher highs, making lower lows, whatever the case is, but understanding market structure and then couple that with price action. Price action is the key to trading because you can basically, honestly, trade price action without any indicators in your chart. And that is the best way to learn is to simply step by step, making small moves, making small trades with price action only. And then once you step up and you start understanding, how to fully trade using price action, you can look to take bigger moves. I mean, offer higher time frame charts, or just depends on your style of trading. Some people like to take trades from higher time frame charts. Some people like to take trades from lower time frame charts. It just depends on your style. Um, but to me, I like to couple both together. Kind of like I look from a bigger standpoint, a broad spectrum of what the market's doing on a higher time frame chart, and then I scale it down to a lower time frame chart, and that kind of helps me get into my entries. So you know, I don't have a program or webinar or a trading program to sell. I just would like people to follow my channel. And by you following my channel and me explaining my trades, you should be able to pick up. If you have any questions, you can always send me an email. And I have an open door policy. I have nothing to hide. I like to help people. If you have any questions about anything, my style of trading may be different than someone else's. Someone else may have a different strategy or methodology of how they trade. I'm simple price action trader. So to me, that's the key to it. So if you want to have any questions, just send me an email. I'll respond. And, once I get time to look at my emails and things, I will definitely respond back to you. But what I ask of you is basically just please like the channel. Just simply click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel because that's the only way you're gonna uh, be able to watch the videos. because as soon as I drop a new video, I'll post a new video online. If you click on subscribe to the channel and also click on that bell notification, the notification is the centerpiece of, I believe, through YouTube that allows you to quickly become abreast of a new video that's actually posted. So make sure to subscribe. That helps my channel out, and it's going to also help you out because you'll be able to watch my videos live when they're posted, or not pretty much, not maybe not live, but the moment, same day pretty much. Once I post them, you can actually watch them and understand. Oh, okay, I see how you traded today, and give you some insight if you had any questions about your own trading during the day. And okay, so here we go. Not to cut my message off, but please make sure to subscribe, guys. Please make sure to like the channel as well. Like the video. Each video I post, I would definitely appreciate it if you can like the video and subscribe, and maybe share the channel as well. So I know I keep harping on that, but it helps me out, and it's also going to help you out because, like I said, by you watching my videos, you will learn. By you subscribing and liking my channel, that helps me. That helps me as well, guys, and I truly appreciate that. All right, so here we go. Let's see if we're going to take, be in the profit here. I'm going to take a contract off here. Okay, one contract off the table. Let's take another contract off the table here. Okay, another contract off the table. And let's, hopefully we can, okay, this is going to be tricky because we had a round number here. So hopefully price will fill us right here. Okay, bringing one tick down. Hopefully we get filled on this trade here. Come on. It may pull back forward once it continue. Okay, there we go. All right, so see, I took my trade way too early, guys. Well, let me explain this to you. I already explained why I took the trade. I took the trade because I was looking for price to break this prior day high, which it did. It overnight pulled back, it pushed higher, breaking it, and I was looking for a retracement trade back to an area where price had built some volume at, okay, being key. Also, I saw this level right here, and anyone who doesn't understand that level, you can definitely send me an email and I'll explain. But that's why I took the trade. If you look over here at my lower time frame chart, I took it way too early. What I should have done was, when price pulled back and tested this red line, that's the level. That red line is the level that you see on this higher time frame chart as well. So the two charts are coincide with each other. I guess I would say they're mirror. Whatever levels I put on one chart, it's going to show up on another chart. So that I mark on one chart, it's going to show up on another chart. So here we go. So price pulled back to that area there after making new highs, pulled back. And what I should have waited for was for price it reacted here. So basically pull back, okay? Price came back up. It pushed higher, okay? Breaking, yeah, it pulled back to that level. It pushed higher, pulled back, and this right here should have been when price pretty much. Let me explain this to you right, okay? Price pulled back to the level, push higher, pull back, and then what I was looking for, I could have taken a trade here. You can also take a trade now that price is pushed higher here. You can wait for price to come back down to this area again and retest. That's called a second test, okay? And you can go long again once price pulls back to this area again, and wait for that green candle. That means gives you an indication. Green candle to close above, and then you can go back. You can go long again. So I'm pretty sure price is going to come up and test probably at least the, let's see, at least the 43.78 and 3/4, or 40, right at 43.79 area. So I'm pretty sure that's what's probably going to happen here. But either way, we took a profit. So what I'm going to do is, excuse me a moment. I believe I already took a little a little trade earlier today. So, and I'll show you, well, just as soon as I can get it loaded up here on my chart. What's today? Okay. Whoops. Okay. 1 second, guys, and I'll show you. What I'm going to show you is my trade performance. Okay, I took a little trade earlier. It was only for a couple ticks there, but this last trade I just took. Now I'm up 20 ticks for today. 20 ticks is you know you know whether you're trading part time or full time. And I mean full time. I mean it's still in. We're talking what, maybe 20 minutes. We've been recording this video here, 15 minutes, whatever it's been. Still, that's one trade. You can get to another trade and take two trades, but that $20 right there, trading the ES, I'll show you what that is. That's $250 right there. I mean, so in just 15, 20 minutes, making $220. I mean, $250. Um, uh, that's actually good trading. I mean, it's I showed you live how I took my trade, showed you live what I'm looking for, I explained why I took that trade. Like I said, I'm a 95%. I'm a pullback trader looking for trade entries. So um, that's pretty much going to be it, guys. Of course, I'm going to be looking for trading live more throughout the day, and I'm going to be looking for other trades here. But I'm looking for price at this point here to push higher and break above this level, making higher highs. We'll see. But that's pretty much going to wrap the video up here today, guys. I'm just showing you my live trade-in within 15 minutes, taking a profit there. And, please subscribe to the channel. Like the videos, guys, because the more you like them, the more that, if you subscribe to the channel, like I said, you're going to be able to obtain information that you're probably not going to see in other people's videos. That they may show you, like I said, people may show you, a chart and explain to you, why they took a trade here, or explain to you, certain levels that they would take trades from. But the biggest thing is that what I've learned is that if you truly want to learn a trade, watch somebody live trading. It's just like I said, the experience of watching somebody on your job, and they're teaching you and training you how to do something. The only way to gain that experience is visually to watch somebody do it live. And that's what I'm doing here is watch me live. And you may pick it up by yourself, but through my explanation of explaining why I took those trades at levels, you'll start to slowly understand, oh, that's price action. I understand why he's taking it. He's taking that trade on a pullback. Price broke higher. He's looking for a level when price pulled back to trade from. That's the key to it, price action. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Subscribe to the channel. I'm asking you. I know I've said it a million times in my video, but please do like the video as well. And I wish everyone a happy and safe, and those that are trading, successful and profitable days. Take care. See you in the next video. God bless.